Hi, I am Charlene Nadine Olmillo, and I've already discussed to you the eukaryotic cell, the prokaryotic cell, and their structural differences. Now, we will proceed to the taxonomy. So, what is taxonomy? Taxonomy is the practice of identifying different organisms. All organisms, both living and extinct, are classified into distinct groups with other similar organisms and given a scientific name. There are 8 distinct taxonomic categories, and these are the domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. So, let's begin with domain. Domain is the highest taxonomic rank in the hierarchical biological classification system, above the kingdom level, and there are 3 domains of life: the archaea, the bacteria, and the eukarya. Archaea are microorganisms that define the limits of life on Earth. They were originally discovered and described in extreme environments, such as hydrothermal vents and terrestrial hot springs. They were originally discovered and described in extreme environments, such as hydrothermal vents and terrestrial hot springs. They were also found in a diverse range of highly acidic and anaerobic environments. Domain bacteria includes the prokaryotes people encounter on an everyday basis. A few bacterial species are parasitic. These bacteria live within host organisms and cause disease. Certain bacteria are autotrophic, which means they synthesize their own food. Such bacteria engage in the process of photosynthesis. Eukaryote consist of organisms that have a true nucleus and structures called organelles that are surrounded with membranes. Next is the kingdom. There are 6 kingdoms that are used to classify on Earth. The 6 kingdoms include animals, plants, fungi, protists, eubacteria, and archaebacteria. These 6 include all living organisms on Earth. Kingdom Monera consists entirely single-cell organelles. Remember this. Kingdom finds anywhere here on Earth. They will found in hot spring and almost every surface of Earth. All members of this kingdom do not have a nucleus or membrane-bound organelles. Therefore, they are classified as prokaryotes. They do have a cell wall, genetic material, cytoplasm, and ribosomes. Next is the phylum. Phylum is a taxonomic ranking that comes third in the hierarchy of classification, after domain and kingdom. Organisms in a phylum share a set of characteristics that distinguishes them from organisms in another phylum. Next is the class. A class is a major taxonomic rank below the phylum and above the order. Example of class is Mammalia. Class Mammalia is comprised of various orders such as bats, apes, dogs, cats, bears, and many others. Then, the next is family. Family is more specific. Some families in the order Carnivora, for example, are dogs, wolves, fox, cats, bears. There are 12 total families in the order Carnivora. Next is the genus. It is a taxonomic category ranking used in biological classification that is below family and above species. And lastly, the species. Species exhibiting similar characteristics comprise a genus. The species is the fundamental category of taxonomic classification, ranking below a genus or subgenus.